Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily view poll details in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web and log in to your account. Step 2. Navigate to the chat where the poll is located. Step 3. Scroll through the chat messages and locate the poll. Step 4. Under the poll, you'll find an option that says View More. Click on it. Step 5. Here. You'll be able to see all the people who participated in the poll, along with the number of votes they cast. By following these simple steps, you can easily access the poll details in WhatsApp Web. This feature allows you to gather valuable insights and analyze the results of your polls. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.